I don't think oxtails for everybody. That must be like the lobster of the meat. I'm gonna tear this up. So we have all the seasonings over here. There's definitely not enough light in here. So what I enjoyed most about this meal, because I had it the other day as a sample plate, was the vegetables and the potatoes, the carrots and the potatoes, and some beans are in here, cooked down with the gravy. I didn't even eat rice. It was so delicious. So I'm looking forward to that tonight with you guys. So apparently when you cook Jamaican food, you have to have Jamaican stuff. So this is what the chef is doing here. I don't know where he would go and pull this from. He went around the corner to get something and he came back with big bottles of liquor. So I don't know if it makes the food taste better for the cook or for the eater. But we're gonna try it. Carla's got the kitchen smelling so yummy, you guys. So yummy. Oh my God, this smells horrible. Did we get that? Yeah, we did. So you didn't give us instructions on that part?
Oh, for like 5 to 10 minutes, that chicken get the brown color and the golden look. You add water, which is the seasoning.
The seasoning will be the onions, peppers, and...
Onion, peppers. So you pre-cook them for a while. When you do that now, you add your carrots, your sweet pepper, whichever seasoning you choose to add to it, additionally.
What are the traditional... Is this open?
Traditions is like onion, pepper, scallion, garlic, ginger.
This is poison.
Powder seasoning, which is called Maggi seasoning.
It's who?
The Maggi seasoning, if you choose to use Maggi. Or
Is that like seasoning salt or what color is it, seasoning?
color is it?
Yeah. Like a curry color?
Yeah, it has a curry color.
Okay.
Which is called the Maggi seasoning. They have chicken seasoning, they have all-purpose.
So which one are you using? All purpose?
Yeah, this is the Maggi all-purpose.